Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Espresso Essenza mini note puncturing capsules. Here you will see I am the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. This is your problem. Essenza mini note puncturing capsules. One people says that after 1 month of receiving the machine, the capsule are not being punctured. I remove some residue and pump water within now capsule seems to be work again. But is there something extra to check that will require professional support replacement? These are the people's opinions. Look like it is full side that is not working. I would try exactly what it sounds like you did already pump plain water through and remove residue. Take a clean toothbrush and scrub the place where the foil get punctured. If it is work again, make sure after every capsule that you eject it then run plain water to rinse. That will prevent the residue from building up again. So we need to consider this thing if you want to fix the issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.